Hey guys, Mr. Thompson here from Personal Achievement Martial Arts. Today is your core lesson for my beginner and basic students and little dragons. So you guys are going to have a little fun. We're going to work on some new things. Some of you guys may not have done this a whole lot before, and it's be kind of exciting. This is a good prep for you. So today's lesson is shadow sparring, all right? And that sounds like super mystical and epic. It's epic, but it might not be mystical, all right? So what I want you guys working on today is some movement while we're throwing some combos, all right? This is going to help you guys get ready for when you start sparring in class. Remember when we spar, we've got to wear those pads on our hands, we've got pads on our feet, we've got that chest guard or helmet, and that's how we get to fight each other safely without hurting each other. But if you don't do any practicing before that, it can be kind of overwhelming. All of a sudden, you're going to be in a ring, and you're going to be sparring with somebody else, and you might be getting hit a whole bunch of times, and you might not know what to do, and it might be a little discouraging. So we're going to practice imagining that we are going to be fighting. And this is going to be really helpful to you guys so you can start building some of those core skills to become decent sparrers. So we're going to get a fighting stance. I don't care which way you face, what's in front. All I want you to start doing is bouncing up and down. All right? So don't forget, my fighting stance, my belly is to the side. All right? That makes it harder for them to hit. I've got 1 foot back here, 1 foot up, and I'm on my toes. That way I'm bouncing. I don't want to be flat-footed. And I don't want to have my legs straight either. I want to bend my legs just a little bit, be up on my toes, my hands are up, my elbows are in, and I'm looking right at my target. I gotta imagine there's somebody right in front of me, and we're gonna do some practice fighting together. Now, rule number 1 is I need to throw a 3-move combo at least. All right, and combos mean you're gonna chain a move together. So it's gonna be 1 move, another move, and another move, right? I never just throw 1 move when I'm sparring, right? If I just go like this and I throw a punch, well, they're probably going to block that. And I throw another punch. They're going to block it. And then they're going to block it, right? Even somebody that doesn't know martial arts will block your moves every time if all you're doing is throwing 1 move at a time. So I want you guys working on throwing 3-move combos. 3 to 5. That's kind of the sweet spot. So we're going to start with a 3, and we're going to do something pretty easy. We're going to bounce on our toes. You guys are going to do this one first, and then you got to start being a little more creative. So the first one is going to be a front punch. So do that front punch, and then you're going to lift up your front leg, a front kick, and then your backhand, your power hand, is going to do a reverse punch. All right? And I go back to bouncing. Remember, I never bounce while I do my combo. I stop bouncing, do my combo, and I go right back again. All right? I'm bouncing. 1, 2, 3. I go nice and fast. 1, 2, 3. Nice and fast. So I want you guys to pause the video. Make sure to do both sides. So switch your feet. Maybe do it 10 times on one side. 1, 2, 3. You're bouncing. Then switch your feet 10 times on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and pause the video really quick and go. All right, welcome back. Now we're going to move on. We're going to start getting a little more creative. We're going to add some more movement in. All right? Now, my imaginary partner, I never want to show them my stomach, and I never want to show them my back. Right? Those are 2 areas that are not super good to show your opponent. So I want to keep my body sideways when I'm just doing my sparring. Now we're going to move around though. So we're going to imagine my partner is moving this way, and see how I'm following them with my front leg? All right, you got to imagine there's another person right here, and I'm just going to be moving around, and I'm just going to be circling with them, keeping my eyes on my target. Now you get to have fun. Okay? Now you get to throw whatever 3-move combo you want. Maybe it's high block. Remember, blocks are part of it too. Maybe go high block, and then maybe for like gold belts, do a side kick, and then a reverse punch. Maybe high block, back fist, reverse punch, or whatever you want to throw. But you're going to bounce around. I'm going to give you guys 1 minute. You can switch your feet as many times as you want during it. Just don't be going like this. All right? You can be bouncing and switch your feet to the other side. 1, 2, 3. Whatever 3-move combo you guys want to do, but you're moving around. You pretend like somebody's right here with you. It's your shadow. That's why it's called shadow sparring. You're sparring your shadow. You got to be faster than your shadow. Remember to get some good blocks in there. Remember to move around a bunch. Most important, you got to keep that good fighting stance. Those hands up. Throw those combos. All right, so 1 minute. Non-stop. Remember to do both sides of your feet. Pause the video. Go ahead and go. All right, welcome back. So hopefully you got a little bit of practice in right there. Now you can practice offense and you can practice defense. So I told you guys that you mix the 2 together. That means my blocks, those are defense, right? Offense is my punches. So make sure you are using both of those. So if you know your high blocks off, you know your low blocks awesome. Maybe some of you know how to do your parries. You can throw those in there. Those are really, really good, right? But what I want you guys to do now is you're going to do a speed round, okay? Now this time, you're not going to throw combos. You're just going to continually attack non-stop for 30 seconds, all right? It doesn't sound very long, but you're going to be a little tired by the end of this. For 30 seconds, you're just boom, 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 and you're moving around, you're not stopping, doing all those combos, as many as you can, in 30 seconds. There's no breaks, there's no pauses. You gotta keep going with this move, all right? So pause the video, 30 seconds. Remember, stay in that good fighting stance. Let's see it, go. And we'll go back. All right, so you guys just did 30 seconds of insanity, right? Now, here's the cool part. Are you guys tired? Probably a bit, all right? Maybe not super tired, maybe a little bit worn out. So that's gonna teach you guys the first lesson in sparring is don't just attack continually, right? That's not fun, all right? It stinks, and you will lose energy, right? If I just keep punching, kick, punch, kick, punch, kick, punch, kick, punch, nonstop for the entire round of sparring, you're gonna be so worn out that all your partner has to do is they just gotta defend themselves for about 30 seconds, and after that, you're gonna be pretty gassed, and they can just lay down the hammer after that, and then you won't have much energy to defend yourself. So that's why it's important to break it up into combos, right? So I throw those combos, 1, 2, 3, right? And I throw another one, 1, 2, 3, right? I just keep going like that. That's gonna break it down so I conserve my energy. I explode with my combo. I conserve my energy. I explode, and then you can go way longer with your sparring without getting too tired, right? And remember, in real life, too, fights don't typically last very long. So after I throw my combo, I get it nice and close. That's when we're going to work on maybe some things later on. Maybe do some takedowns, get them down the ground, different ways to submit them, or different ways to put them on the ground so we can escape back and find some help, all right? So that's our lesson for today. It's our shadow sparring. Hopefully you guys had a little bit of fun. We'll see you later. Bye.